Yarrney.
Hello, welcome to Yarrney. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make ruffles in crochet. In order to do ruffles in crochet to add a nice little edge to your project, it's actually very easy and it works on top of any type of stitch. So here I have a little patch that I crocheted so I can show you how to do the ruffles, and I'm using a different color yarn so we can see the contrast. So it doesn't matter if you're working on a blanket or if you're working in rounds with magic rings. So as soon as you're ready to do the ruffles, what you're going to do is start with 3 chains. So to do a chain, you wrap the yarn around your hook and you pull it through the loop on the hook here. So that is 1 chain, and then 2 chains, 3 chains. So this 3 chains here counts as a stitch. So in order to do ruffles, preferably you use double crochet, and this chain here will add height to your stitch. So in each stitch, you basically insert technically 6 double crochet, but with this first one, you have a chain. This will count as 1 stitch. So for the very first stitch, you will simply do 5 double crochet. So to do a double crochet, you wrap the yarn around your hook and then you insert it in this first stitch here. Then you pull the yarn back through the stitch. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. So you wrap the yarn around your hook, you will pull it through the first 2 loops only. So this one and this one. And then you have 2 loops left on your hook again, and you wrap the yarn around your hook, you pull it through the next 2 loops. So this is your first double crochet. And then you will do 4 more double crochet in this exact same stitch. And this is what creates the ruffles effect, because you're adding 6 stitch in 1 stitch, so it's going to become very crowded. So as you can see, I have 4 stitch already. I'm adding 2 more double crochet. So a last one here. And this ends your first stitch. So then basically you move on to your next stitch and you will add 6 double crochet. So this very first stitch here, like I said, the 3 chain at the start counts as a stitch. So in this first stitch, you only did 5 double crochet. Including the 3 chains, you have 6 stitch. In the next stitch, you will simply just do 6 double crochet. So here I go with 1. And then 2. 3. Then you have 4. My 5th double crochet here, and then the 6th double crochet, all in this 1 stitch. So as you can see, it's already very crowded, so it creates this ruffled effect. And then you just continue doing that in every single stitch. So the next stitch I'm moving on here, I'm inserting 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So this is basically the concept. Every stitch here you do 6 double crochet. So I'll just continue doing that so I can reach the end, and I can show you how to basically kind of finish your project once you're done with a border of ruffles. Alright, so I did my entire row here of the ruffles, and you will definitely need to use your fingers and guide the ruffles to shape them, otherwise it will be a little bit messy. And as you shape them, it will become a little nicer, like this. And then say you're done, and say you worked in rounds, and then your last stitch of the ruffle here is meeting the first stitch and you just want to finish the project, what you can do is basically just insert your hook on top of the first stitch and do a slip stitch just to finish your project. So then that means you would insert your hook in the first stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch and also through the loop on the hook, and this is a slip stitch. So that's how you would finish the project, so to join the two sides together, and then you can cut your yarn and just weave in the end. Now before we end this video, I just want to mention that in order to do these ruffles, you don't have to always do 6 double crochet in one stitch. So on the right side here, these two patch are made with 6 double crochet in one stitch, and it's the number of stitch that make the ruffles super dense. On the left side here, this ruffle is made with 4 double crochet in each stitch. So you can see that this ruffle here is way less dense than these. So it really depends on the look that you want for your project. So you can definitely explore. You can even do 3 double crochet in each stitch if you want it even less dense than this one here. But if you want it really dense, like I said, 6 double crochet in each stitch will result something like this. And then if you put less stitches, like 5 or 4 or 3 double crochet in each stitch, the ruffles will be more spaced out. So that's how you do ruffles edge in crochet. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.